We on that blog life now.
Yes, you are. Hello, beautiful people. So today's the day I try out the Nars Soft Matte Concealer as well as the foundation in 90 degree weather plus. You know what I'm trying to say. So let's give it a go. Well, the face is on, honey. She is on. She's looking amazing, fabulous, beautiful. Again, I am using, or I have used, baby girl, where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Where's my, girl? Oh, here it is. Use the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation as well as the concealer. We're gonna test her out today. 90 degree weather plus. We're gonna take some photos, get some content. That way it's out the way and enjoy our day. So this is the face. Whew, baby. I just have to do my under eye and she's good. All right, we gotta find the entrance. We're going to the Botanical Garden.
The desert Botanical Gardens.
Yeah, it's a lot different. So many cactuses. We're here at the mall. Don't know what mall it's called.
Me either.
But we are here and we are in search.
Scottsdale.
Yes.
Oh, we're in Scottsdale. Yep, but we're in search of
bubble tea. And I remember when I looked at the picture, it's directly below Sephora. And so let's just look at where it is on the map. All right, look, babe. This is where it says it is on the map. It says no signal there. It's probably on the other side.
You said Sephora?
Yeah. But look at this. This mall has a lot of big name stores, huh? Yeah, I think it might be on the other end on this side. Oh, they got a Morph store here? I see MAC. I think up that way maybe. So we got an hour to be in the mall until we go.
No, we don't.
Oh, there it is right there.
Yeah.
He said no, we don't. What time is it? Oh no, you're right. We only got like 30 minutes. So pretty much took a ride just to get to the mall. Look at this.
celebrating anything, or are we kind of just having a nice
We're
lunch?
celebrating Megan.
Basically, we work with Norfolk Capital.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
We're based out of Boston.
Perfect.
She's in Arizona, so I came out here for a wedding.
I love that.
So the big bosses were like, take her out to something high-end and exclusive, and then this is what we found, so we're bringing her out.
Oh yeah, you came to the right place. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah.
For sure, absolutely. So you said, what, are you getting married? Or?
No,
No,
I live in Arizona.
Well, I'm here for
Oh,
a wedding.
okay.
I work here for
Yeah,
them in
but-
Boston.
Got
So
it.
as a
Okay.
team, we're like, hey, most of the team, has anybody else met you in person? Yeah, so no one met, it was like...
Understood,
Yeah, so
understood.
it was like, yeah.
Hey, well, you know, yeah, let's just have a good lunch then.
Exactly, yes.
Celebrating Megan.
Yes, I love that.
It's on Pat and Sabria's tab.
Let's do this, Patrick.
I didn't play any piece in this one. I just found the restaurant, as you guys said. Spotlight toilet. Sink. Yo girl. Delicioso. Alright, dig in, y'all. So, we just had lunch here at Elements, and I want to do a quick update with how the makeup is doing. And so, let's zoom on in. You can see it's holding up pretty well, but I see some separation because of sweat and heat made outside as well. Let's see. How the cheeks looking, under eyes, nose. I did pat a little bit with my powder puff, but then I was like, oh wait, I gotta show you guys. Forehead is looking a little white, but not too bad. I think even with the weather, it's still holding up pretty well. I haven't really been too much in the sun, but enough to say that it's holding up. I'm pretty sure when I look back at the footage on a bigger screen, I can give you guys like tidbits on the side here or something like that. So this is the face. This is how she's looking up under the umbrella. All right, booked an Uber, and I want to show you guys this part of the grounds. There's husband and Megan. It's very beautiful out here. Yes. And so she said, this beautiful piece of art is the Camelback Mountain. Lavish. And then because it's spring, look at all the blossoms. Beautiful. And we had lunch there.
You know, the houses are built into the...
Yeah, can you imagine how much they had to pay to do that?
The amount of money probably didn't even faze them.
You know?
This is...
So I'm back at the hotel. This is the face, and when I looked in the mirror, y'all, she looks great compared to how I thought it might have been looking when I was at the restaurant. But let me show y'all. This is up close. I'm mad close to the light. First of all, horrible lighting, but still. It's the eyes, nose. Excuse my little nose. I was blowing my nose a lot, and so it's peeling. Lips look like I need a scrubbing. The overall looks decent. Around my nose looks a little shiny, but when I go like that, it's better. I don't know. How do we think, ladies? Is she holding up? I think she's holding up. I think she is holding up. And I wore a mask in the Uber. You can't even tell. You can't even tell. So, it's now after 5 o'clock. It's probably like 5:20 now, almost, maybe. We're on our way to a walking trail to catch the sunset. And then we're heading back, dressed up, until we have to go to the airport and pick up Ma. It's warm. It's very hot still. How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah. This is the makeup. I took a little shut-eye. Looks like it's still holding up. I had my hair wrapped with the scarf. So yeah. He was a good recommendation or not?
I think, well, not nervous, but I figured his reaction to where we wanted to go, I figured it probably wasn't like something up with it where it was like, I don't know if we want to go there.
Well, this is nice. This we had a little sitting spot too. Yeah. So now, to wait for the sun to set. It's about maybe 30 minutes till sunset.
No, about 35 minutes.
5 minutes. This is how the makeup's holding up. Again, remember my nose is peeling from blowing it too much. I feel like I got a little grease action going on.
I'll sit and maybe we get a picture of the view. Love you too.
Now? You're cashing out? Oh, you speak to the person inside. Crazy. Tech. There he is! Alright, bride and groom. Say hi to the vlog.
Nice to see you.
Hey vlog!
Hey, vlog.
Hey wifey, say hi to the vlog!
Hello.
Yay!
Vlog life now.
Yes! Yes, you are! They are. Okay, we're about to take a photo.
Okay, so we need someone to direct us who's gonna stand where.
You guys can cut off.
It's a video. All right, it's video.
Yes, you can.
I can draw a stick man.
Okay, draw the stick man. Or a smiley face. There you go.
Look at the hair.
Oh, the hair. What? Can you draw a wife? Since that's Luke.
Oh, you said that
I know. Oh my gosh, big head, little body. Okay, now draw his wife.
And then it's everyone's like, no, I'm 50 something.
Oh.
Little artist.
Yes.
You're right to say little artist.
Brilliant. Fantastic. Perfect. So loving. Yeah!
It's very refreshing. You all are welcome to do it. I might do it a few more times.